it cannot be a routine, because whenever I dance, it's from my heart and it's from my soul, and it's a ritual for me because it makes me feel good again.
I started because my ex-girlfriend broke up with me, and I was really sad. I'm so sad. My friends told me, hey, what about to go to dance? You're gonna meet different people, you're gonna meet new girls, you're gonna have some fun. And at the beginning, I didn't like the dance that much, but I just let me go. Like, okay, let's try it.
So I think the first thing is the emotion, and then I link it to the color. So it can vary depending on, I don't know, if I'm tired, if I've had something wrong in my life, or the person I'm dancing with, if it's giving more depth in the dance.
So I play a bit of everything. I mainly am booked for Kizomba, but I also have a background in Afro Deep House, so Afro Tech House, which is actually also a very good inspiration for Kizomba in a way.
A key moment was when I started dancing in choreographies at high school. I was studying high school, but I was like, we were going into like really competitions, choreography, and I learned, and I was in some companies. Meanwhile, I was still studying, but dance brought something special to my life, and it was mainly with the choreographies and the group presentations. And I was like, I need to dance the whole time, actually.
Well, first of all, I think from where I come, India, the culture is really rich in music, and we grow up with a lot of different sounds, different dances. So it adds, of course, the Bollywood music and everything, it adds a lot to our understanding of the mental imagery that we create while dancing.
And I'm walking the talk. Boss in the streets, I'm a boss with the sauce. I'm a boss and a beast, I'm a boss till I fall. I'm a boss on the beat, I'm a boss, spit it raw. I'm a boss, keep it G, and I'm walking the talk. Boss in the streets, I'm a boss with the sauce. I'm a boss and a beast.